Hi, it's Troy with 3Ys back at you again, showing y'all one of my spring looks. Okay, this is obviously one of my favorites because I have the flare pants. These pants are high-waisted and they just make me look so thick, slim thick, you know what I mean? And I love this shirt. I love green because I like to blend in with the trees because I am a giraffe, okay? So, and it's very different and it's flirty and it makes my girls sit up. So, the first product that I would use, of course, is Beauty in the City, the Shimmer Spray, okay? I have to glow, y'all. We just gotta glow. Like, if you're not glowing and shining, what you here for? What you here for, y'all? So, of course, I got to put some all over my chest, like my whole chest. Like, forget the collarbones. I just want it all over me at this point, right? I need you to see me from a mile away walking. I gotta look like a star. Big hair, big personality, big smile. Okay? And the next product I will use for this look is the bronzer. Of course, I want my face to look slim. Y'all need to see the cheekbones, okay? Because it makes my smile even more brighter, okay? And of course, I gotta pair it with my favorite. Y'all know the favorite too, right? Mascara and the eyeliner. The eyeliner and mascara, they're like twins. They gotta go together, okay guys? And that is my spring look. And of course you gotta have the hair with it, of course, too. It just brings it all together, right?